Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Ron, and we are the Senior Consumer Advice Editors here at Edmunds. Ron, last weekend I was driving one of the big trucks from the fleet. I took it to the gas station to fill it with fuel.
Oh, how bad was it?
It cost $125 to get a full tank of gas in this truck. When I saw that number, it made me think, what does it actually cost to operate this vehicle on a monthly basis? So I came to the lab, did some very basic calculations, and came up with a total cost of close to $1,300 to operate this truck every month.
Yeah, that's pretty high, and it's an extreme example, but it's something that can happen to a lot of us. We get so focused in what we can pay per month that we forget about the additional costs associated with owning a vehicle. Things like insurance, fuel, and maintenance. And once you factor all that in, it could potentially double your monthly payment. So just because you've been pre-approved for a $500 loan, for example, doesn't mean that you can necessarily afford the total cost of that vehicle. I'd consider dropping it down to a $400 a month payment, and you could use that extra difference to take care of the other fees associated with that ownership of the vehicle. That's our quick tip for today. If you want to find out what these costs look like on your vehicle, take a look at our True Cost to Own tool on Edmunds.